What is up guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets for your guest list. First, choose the cell where you want the guest list to be in and click on it. Next, go to the top of Sheets, click on Data, and then click on Data Validation. A pop-up will appear on the right. Click on Add Rule, choose the cell range, and under Criteria, select Dropdown. Enter the options for your guest list. You can change the color of the options and add more items if needed. There are also advanced options you can explore. And once you're done, click on Done, and that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.